Hey, sir, how are you? Welcome back to the Blue Collar Bar.
I'm all right, Chris. How you doing?
Oh, great, great to see you.
Yeah, good to see you too.
What's going on?
Nothing. You know, I came in for a cocktail, and it looks like you got all the bottles set up already.
I have a cocktail in mind for you.
What do you got?
I knew you were calling in. You called ahead,
yeah,
and I was ready. I set you up. I have a new cocktail I just learned about. I'm working on it.
Yeah, what's it called?
It's called the Necromancer.
Necromancer, huh?
Necromancer.
Where
have you heard of
that? That's like somebody who raises the dead, right?
That is what it means.
What were you searching for when you found the
So,
Necromancer?
I was reading my infamous book of magic spells, and I found this drink, and it seemed good. I wanted to make it, and you were just the right person to make this drink.
All right. Does it actually raise the dead?
I mean, it could with the absinthe. It quite possibly can. Yes.
All right. Well, let's.
Yes. You want to give it a shot?
Let's raise the dead, Chris.
Let's raise the dead.
Let's do it.
Let's make a necromancer.
Yeah.
So we are going to use absinthe. We're going to use 3/4 of an ounce of absinthe.
Yeah.
We're going to keep the absinthe and actually consume the absinthe.
Of course.
We're going to pour 3/4 into a shaker tin. Unlike some absinthes, you would have a rinse or a wash and you dump out, but we're actually going to keep this because it's a magical drink. Next, Lillet Blanc.
That's like white Lillet, right?
It is.
That's French.
There is French.
White Lillet.
Lillet Blanc.
Oh, Lillet.
As they say, as they say.
In France.
There's a dark one. We are using the light, the Blanc today.
Yeah.
St. Elderflower Liqueur.
Whatever that is.
From my hometown, Boston, Mass. Great stuff.
Yeah. It's all part of the potion.
And this is part of the potion. It's a magical drink.
Necromancer.
And we're gonna use a dash of gin.
Just a dash, huh?
That's the magic.
Why?
That's
Why
the
just
magic.
a dash?
Because the dash, the magic, pairs really well with the absinthe and the Lillet Blanc.
Oh, okay.
It cuts it very nicely. These are very, very strong spirits.
It's magic gin.
It's just magic gin. Just a dash.
Oh.
Unmentioned dash. They'll open it right up.
Yep. What else?
And fresh lemon juice. 3/4 of an ounce lemon juice.
I notice all your juices are fresh here at the bar.
We try to keep it fresh. Fresh is always the way to go. It's very simple. It actually costs you less too.
Yeah.
That's it for spirits. Now we're going to add ice. With a shaker pint, give it a shake.
You're really getting into this wizard thing, huh?
I'm trying to learn. I'm trying to get better. Yeah. I'm reading a good book.
Yeah.
I'm really fascinated with it.
How to be a wizard.
I'm learning it. One day I will be.
I have faith.
We have a Coupe Glass here
Yeah.
with water and ice, just a chiller glass.
The spell's got to be cold.
The spell has to be cold. It's a good spell, because any warm spell was a very evil spell. Now we're going to strain. Up, which means no ice.
Whoa. Looks like it's bubbling.
Ew. You see the magic working there?
Yeah.
I see it.
Ooh.
I see it.
The
I see it.
Necromancer.
And we're going to take a lemon, and we're going to get a swath out of it. For a garnish, we'll rub it for the oils, and we'll just plop it in there. Here you have the Necromancer.
All right, let's
Beware.
give the Necromancer a try.
Cheers. Hope you like it. What do you think?
Wow.
Is it working?
I don't know.
Is the powers of magic book working?
Yeah, I think so. Wow.
What do you feel? What do you feel?
It's sour.
Okay.
Got some bitterness, some anise flavor. This is a complicated drink. I think I need a few more sips just to figure out what's going on here. But I'm feeling a little stronger.
Great.
Yeah.
Well, keep going. I'm glad
raising me up.
I'm glad you're enjoying this cocktail. Be careful. If you need help, I'll be over here. Just holler to me.
Necromancer.
If you like the Necromancer and you want more magic cocktails, make sure you like this video. Subscribe for more wizard cocktails.
You're the wizard.
One
Chris,
day.
the
One
blue
day
collar wizard.
Then you also find me on Instagram at the Blue Collar Bartender.
You should make a new account. Chris,
What's
the
that?
blue collar wizard.
Ooh, maybe after I blow up Instagram.
Yeah, you got to
the
get
next,
a bigger,
next channel. Yes.
bigger stable of potions first,
Okay.
maybe.
I'll sleep on it.
All right. Well,
I'll finish the great book first.
Thanks for the Necromancer, Chris.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Great to see you again.
Yeah. Bye.
Be safe. Bye.
Bye, Chris.
Thank you.